Hi, April from Sharper Uniforms. Today we're going to review the men's and ladies' washable suits. Don't get taken to the cleaners with your current non-washable suits. Save big dollars by machine washing and drying these new modern suits. Sharper Uniforms offers 3 different lines of washable suits: standard weight, lightweight, and high-end washable polywool suit. Each line has its own features. Men's and ladies have 2-button closures. Suits have matching washable vests, skirts, and dresses. Men's jacket comes with single or double back vent. Ladies' jacket has options of waist or hip length. Ladies' pant comes with or without belt loops. Tested in 50 home washings and dry cycles. Fabric ranges from 100% stretch polyester to polyester, wool, and spandex. Spandex allows for the suit to flex and stretch with your movements. Wide range of sizes, talls and shorts for all jackets and pants. Be sure the suit garments are turned inside and out before home washing. Always follow the washing instructions on the inside of the garment. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you on the web.